Just like Ford F-150 has been best-selling truck in the United States, I think, for the last 40 years, GAF Timberline shingle have been best-selling shingle, at least according to GAF, for many years. We've been inviting GAF Timberline to participate in our comparison tests, and in this video we're gonna bring it to YouTube. We made tons of comments in the past, and for the last 2 years, 2017, 2018, GAF Timberline did not participate in our comparison. We invited them. Tons of people, we have way over thousands of comments about why did it happen. In this video I'm not gonna answer that question. I'm just gonna simply say what I already said hundreds of times. GAF was invited, and we don't want to review GAF Timberline shingle without them being present and agreeing to the test, so we are asking them to participate. And this is simple video invitation to GAF Timberline to compare their product, to answer the question, does best-selling shingle means that it's the best? In the last 2 years we compared all 7 major brands in so many different categories scientifically, and just basic survey from the installer on performance, on initial quality. Top 3 brands according to our research and our comparison were Owens Corning, Certainteed, and Atlas. And this year in 2019 we want to include GAF in the comparison. Pretty much what we want to look at all the claims that manufacturers make, not only GAF but all of them. You know, things like nailing zone, sealant, how long does it take to pull it from the roof while it's installed, because essentially all the roofing products make from the same materials. You have fiberglass, you have granules, you have sealants, you have asphalt, but there's a lot of difference in technology and the small details. We also will travel to GAF if that's what it takes. We want to have independent judges from roofers who install GAF, love GAF, but also independent roofers who maybe install other brands. We also would like to have independent judges, maybe from the homeowner, students, somebody with unbiased opinion, so nobody can speculate that, you know, we're bought or sponsored by other brands. We want everything to be transparent, and we want all parties to agree on what exactly we're going to test and how we're going to test it. So we want to perform at least 5 different tests. We just want to see how GAF Timberline in 2019 stacks with the rest of them. If you would like this comparison to happen, please comment below. GAF, this is my personal invitation to you. Would like to hear from you guys. The reason I have to publicly invite you guys because I'm just tired of answering, typing all the questions. There is thousands of them under our videos. Where's GAF? Why you didn't include them? And people just every day comment, whether on social media or in our videos, and this is our response. Hopefully it'll happen soon. Let us know in comments below what you think. If you love GAF, if you have problem with the GAF, we want to hear from you. Good or bad, we want to make it happen. GAF, please respond. Cannot wait to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for coming. Stay safe on those roofs.